My name is Michael Kleber-Diggs. I'm a poet and essayist in St. Paul. One of the first things I did when I went through the exhibit is looked at a series of videos that are not far from the entrance. But the more time I spend thinking about it, the more I realize that I'd actually like to go through the exhibit with myself. I wish that myself at 52 could go through the exhibit with myself at 12 and talk about things. So much of what I saw in the exhibit was familiar to me. So much of the exhibit validated my experience in America and the experience that I know my Indigenous and Asian and Latinx and Middle Eastern brothers and sisters and siblings have. But arriving to those understandings is a path that took a long time for me. When I was 12, I saw the world differently than I do now. I think that I would understand more sooner and doubt myself less if I understood that the way that systems and policies and practices and history and rewritten history in America has shaped my own lived experience here and the lived experience of people who, by virtue of the color of their skin or the country where they're born, this exhibit matters. Part of it is the ability to reach specific people in a profound way, and that the change that they feel as a result of that experience, they will carry forward with them into the work that they do, into the people that they interact with. They'll have a heightened understanding of race, and that's valuable. And one person in conversation with family and friends and colleagues and their children and their children's children can have a profound impact. It's a journey. We're all on a journey. I think all the time about how I understand race and what it's like to be Black in America in a specific way, because that is my lived experience. Being Black in America is a school that I go to every day. But when I start to think about other people's experience in America, for example, what it's like to be a woman in America, what it's like to be a Muslim in America, there I have an opportunity to learn. And I can take that knowledge and that understanding forward with me to be a more compassionate person and a more empathetic person.